Prevent inverter damage during thunderstorms. CNLONQ launches CNLONQ, a series lightning protection combiner boxes. The product adopts a PC plus ABS housing with a flame retardant rating of all 94 VO. It features IP65 protection grade and an impact resistance rating of IK10. Quick installation via reserved mounting holes. IP65 waterproof grade effectively resists stormy weather. CNLONQ leads China in custom PV protection equipment. We also offer PV customization and R&D support to integrators, EPCs, and investors. Our products are globally certified and fully compliant. High quality, fast delivery, and reliability drive our worldwide sales.